Hi everybody, I just wanted to share my journal that I just finished for a friend of mine who just got engaged. And so I was going to make her a little engagement book slash kind of wedding. It's not very big. I made it out of just some cardstock, and then I decorated it with inked old paper. And then I put this lace border over top of the other, I think this was a tablecloth that I had tea dyed. And then I put the ribbon in for the tie. I got this stuff like at a garage sale, so I just put some lace and ribbon and doilies and different things and decorated the front. So I'm just gonna open it up and share it with you, what I did. Okay, so this is a little booklet that I made to put her personal items in, or cards, or I did make some extra journaling cards in here, just out of paper. And then I also, I'm a photographer, so I do a lot of my own photography, but I made that into another journaling card. And then I found this antique vintage photo of a bride, so I kind of made that into a tag. And then, of course, our trusty little paper clips decorated to hold things together. And I still have not decided on whether I'm going to do anything with this page yet. I may or may not. I may just leave it like it is. This is the page of their engagement, the ring, the bride, the groom. Just with stacked papers and, again, tea-dyed papers and just some lace and flowers and things like that. And then this was the day of the party. I had taken some pictures, so I went to Walgreens and made a photo, engagement party, when it was. And then I made these little tags that had gifts on them, guest list, she can fill in, and then some more little envelope type things that I stuck in this little pocket here that you can open up and journal on, or whatever, her list of the people that was at the party. And then I made this little flower that went on a hairpin, and then of course an antique bag with a tuck spot. Then I did a blow-up picture of her family, of all the girls in the family. Oh wait, I think let me see. Oh, I missed a spot. Okay. That little flower, I guess, got in the way. There we go. So the next page, okay, there we go. The next page is another journal card that I made, tag, but first God, I stamped. Or no, that was a sticker. And then another journal thing, and then another envelope, the butterfly. I stamped the lighthouse on here. This is another tag. It comes out. This is another pocket that you can put stuff in. Little clip. Then this is her family. And then I put some sticker sayings on here. And then these are all her sisters. And then I made this little tag that says, sisters, hello, beautiful. And then I found this at a garage sale, like a hairpin with some type of designer button. Put some sayings on here. And then I like the fact that all these could be little tags that you could use to get to your page. I wanted her to have a lot of journaling space, so I kind of didn't glue a lot of things down. I just made these journal cards. Of course, with the paper clip again. Then I gave her lots of space to write on. These are 2 little bags that I made that she can stick stuff in here. Another sticker, another bag that she can stick stuff in here. Then, of course, I gave her lots of space to write. I decorated the inside with some hearts. Again, empty. This is her family. And so her mother had passed away, and so I did a page just for her with the clip of the chalk, and I wrote Mom. And then in here was another clip that I made, and this is a little like place to journal book, round little book to journal with. And then there's a story. I hid a picture in here because her mother and I were best friends. We stayed friends throughout our life. Her daughter has a best friend that she has stayed friends with just like us. So I kind of felt led to put this picture in here of me and her mom, and then her and her best friend, best friends forever. Little secret pal envelope. Like that. And then I made this little tag. More writing space, more writing space. Then the best man, groom, I heard was a cowboy. So I made this little cowboy suit. This was my husband idea to put the fringe on here. And then I found a music book that's just for weddings. So I found this song that says, "Marry Me." And then I wrote, "Jenny, marry me, Jeff," which is his name. And then I found this ribbon at a garage sale. It says, "I picked you." So I put that on there. And this is the best man. So I made the little shirt, best man, and then tender thoughts, bride and groom. Then as we flip over, these are all the wedding party, all the bridesmaids and groomsmen. So then I found another song that says Wedding March. So I thought it was appropriate for the march of the wedding. This is the chapel they're going to be getting married at. So the song is appropriate with the picture and the wedding party. Then her page, she wanted to implement flowers in her wedding. So I kind of found a flower book and I just cut that up and made it into a journal card. And then under here is another secret place for her. She did not want the wedding party or anybody to see her wedding dress. So I went and had a picture made of her wedding dress, which is hidden in here. She didn't want people to see it. So I wanted her to be able to share her book with everybody, but also hide her wedding dress so no one could see it. And she could only show it as she feels who she wants to show it to. So I kind of made that little pin with the bow. Flowers, says treasure. Then I made the dress. Here comes the bride, her name. Her maid of honor is her sister. So I made this little tag. It says Faith. And then at the end of the day, when they get married, this will be their family. I put a map in where they're going to be living all together. And then I still haven't figured out if I want to do anything with the front and the back yet. But this is it. I think it's finished. I keep thinking it's finished and then I keep adding stuff. So we'll see. But right now, this is what I ended up with. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, you can leave your comments below, and also hit the notifications button and hit the subscribe button if you want to see any new videos that I put up of things that I make. Thank you, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.